Hey, welcome to this platform tutorial video. This is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the feature name, how to name your feature, and what a feature name is inside of your platform account. The main reason that you're going to want to change the name of the feature that is defaulted by Platform is that you're going to want to customize it and make it unique for your members so that they understand what they're clicking into inside of their platform, okay? And if at the end of this, you still have questions, just navigate to the Support Hub inside of your platform account, click Support Hub, and you're going to hit all of our FAQs. So these are just drop-down menus. You can drop down and get a video answer to your question. You can also click Chat with us if you have a really unique question or you want to talk to us about how you can use Platform for your business. Our whole team will support you. Our whole team will help you figure out, hey, this is what I'm trying to do. This is what I think Platform can do. Can it do that? Ask us that on support. Reach out, message us. We're going to answer you back. Okay. So you have this resource. You should utilize it. If for some reason we're not online though, just submit a ticket, ask us the same question. As soon as we're back online, boom, we're going to answer the ticket and get right back to you. We'll probably even reply back to you on chat. Alternatively, in the meantime, you can also click Help Docs link at the top. It's going to take you to our platform knowledge base. You click Help Docs here and it's going to go through a bunch of different categories. And within those categories, there are documents that go more in depth about all the features that Platform has to offer. If for some reason you sell online courses or you're an influencer and you don't have a Platform account, well, right now you should go to platformarea.com and start a free trial today and get started building in one of the most advanced internet marketing tools that is available today online. What is a feature name? Inside of your Platform account, you can add any type of feature that you want that is available for your membership site. So you just add a feature, it drops down into here, and then you can customize that feature for your membership site. Okay, so this is our merch store. Out of the box, it's going to be called Shopify Store, but I already went and I edited this to call it Merch Store, okay? But what you're going to see if you add a new feature is you're going to see feature name, okay? And you can edit this to whatever you want. What that's going to do is it's going to change the name here that is displaying for your members. This display down here is only for you right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to log in to the demo account that's associated with this Platform account so that you can actually see that. How am I going to do that? I'm going to go to my dashboard and I'm going to click View Your Application. There's a button here. It says View. I'm going to view that. It's going to take me to the login screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump back here to my Platform account, and I have 2 test members in my Platform account here. I suggest you make a test member so that you can actually see what you're building inside of Platform. Okay, so you need to be able to see what you're building inside of Platform through your members' eyes. The only way to do that is to create a test member. Inside of your new account, there'll be a icon here that says add a member. Just click that, put in the name, email, and then add that member, and that person will drop down here. And then all you have to do is just log in with this information, enter the password, and now you can see what you're building inside of your Platform creator dashboard. So you're creating over here and it's rendering here. And this is what all your members will see. So now that we have that out of the way, this here, it says Video Channel 3, Trading Quiz, NFT Quiz, Merch Store. Those are the feature names. If I go back to my Platform account and I look for the Merch Store, which I see it here, this right here is the name that names that feature. Let's say I don't want to call it Merch Store. I want to call it something else. I want to call it My Store. I type that in, I click Save, and then I can see down here for my representation, it shows the feature now is changed to My Store. If I go back over in another tab to my members area and I refresh that, now you can see that's updated to My Store. So I can change this as many times as I want. I can update it all the time, every day if I want. I would try to keep it short because if you start to go too long, then it drops down and it doesn't look as aesthetic. So I would try to keep the character count relatively short, but you can add anything in there, and that is the feature name, and that's how you can change your feature name. So if you have a course, you might want to add the name of that course that you're selling here. So that is how easy it is to change the name of your feature inside of Platform to easily be identifiable for your members. If you have any questions or you don't know where to start with Platform, hit us up in the Support Hub chat and we will help you out. But until then, I will see you on the next Platform tutorial video.